Hi science fans, it's Kindra Science from Science Museum, Oklahoma, and today we are here at my house doing an experiment called the Can Crush experiment. Now, for this, all you really need is, first of all, safety. You're gonna need something to protect your eyes and something to protect your clothes, like an apron or a lab coat if you have it, and definitely wanna wear some closed-toed shoes. Also, if you're a younger person, you might have some adult supervision with you as well. Safety first, always. We're gonna be working with some pretty hot things. Because what you need for the experiment itself is a empty soda can, a 12-ounce can, and you want it rinsed out. Make sure you get all the sugar out of the bottom. You also need a hot plate or your stove top. Now, if you have a gas stove and you can't set the can directly on it because it'll just fall over, you can also put it on a frying pan that way. It'll heat up all the same. You also need some tongs for safety and, of course, a bowl of cold water. The colder, the better. So you're gonna take your can and put about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water into the bottom of it. Then you're gonna set that on a burner on medium-high heat for about 4 minutes until the water starts to boil inside the can. Then get your cold water and your tongs and try to flip it into the water as fast as you can. 3, 2, 1. Just like that, and that is how you do a can crush. When you put water into the can itself, you're actually pushing some air out of it as well. Whenever you heat the water, that turns it into water vapor, and the water vapor starts to push on all sides of the can. Whenever you flip it into the cold water, the cold air condenses the water molecules inside the can. And because they condense, they're no longer pushing on the sides of the can. So the can crushes. This means that the higher pressure system swoops in to take up that space. So whenever we're outside, we know that high pressure system will push into lower pressure systems, similar to how the high pressure system pushes into the can. Now, this can cause clouds. This also means that that higher pressure system rises, the hot air rises, and that means that you can create not only clouds, but water and rain as well. If you try this experiment for yourself, send us a video or a photo of your results. You can send it to us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and of course, hope you guys have a fantastic day. I'm Kindra Science from Science Museum, Oklahoma, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!